Ain't this cute as a button? Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Anita. Look, ain't it adorable? I just love this. Well, this is a button that I made. It's a big button and I made it for either the laundry room or my prayer room, craft room. So most likely it's gonna go in the laundry room. I'm not sure yet, but I will show you afterwards. So I made this one yesterday and I just said, oh my God, I gotta show everyone on YouTube how to make them so you could go ahead and make them. And what a wonderful idea. It's not only for a laundry room or craft room, but it could be for a kids room. You could put words and quotes and scriptures on it. You could put the child's name and the date of birth, all kinds of stuff. You could put cute as a button, kind of thing. You could just, just Google search and, if you have a Cricut, or if you have letters, or if you have a great handwriting, you could do just about anything. I'm not going to do any writing now. Maybe in the future I'll add something. But for now, I just wanted it like this, and I wanted it to look rustic. So I made this one with the ivory color one, and I painted it, and it looks like wood. And I just took the simple brush and I just fanned it all the way around, and it made these like blotches of, it looks like a piece of wood. And then I used the same color brown and I just went around the ring, and then I just glue gun this rope around, and that's how I made this to appear like a button. And this is the way it looks in the back. It's not the prettiest thing, but they're not gonna see the back. Another good thing is that it's not heavy, it's very light. You could use command strips. You don't have to make holes on the wall or anything like that. It's just, and if it falls, it won't break. So it's great. Go to Walmart, get the ones for 50 cents, okay? If you want. Or, the Dollar Tree has a variety of things, chargers, anything like that. So I have this pink one, and what I did was I drew X's where I wanted the holes to go. So my husband was kind enough to do the holes for me. And if you're wondering, he used a bit similar to this one, not this one, but similar to it. And this one, it starts small and then it gets bigger. The hole gets bigger as it goes. So he used one like this, but it was bigger. And so it goes in very easily, and it just goes through and it makes the hole as big as you want. Another thing is, if you're gonna do it, research and look up the buttons and see what kind of buttons you like, what designs you like, and make it, in the way that you like it. I made mine in the way that I liked it. I wanted it to look like a wood piece button. The next one that I'm gonna make, I'm gonna do it with this pink, and I want it to be like a simple button, and I am gonna draw with a line, like a blue line around, or a black line with a marker, or I'll probably use paint, I'm not sure yet. And then with this one, instead of using the rope that is just one rope going over and across making the X, I actually took a string and I made it in triples, because I wanted to make it look like real thread. So, instead of one, so make it look like, how you go over and over when you sew a button. So that's why I did that. And I'm gonna also attach a needle to it. I'll show you that in a moment. So I'm most probably gonna have my husband do these, and I'll probably do it for gifts, give them out for baby showers. I have a few baby showers coming up, and I'll probably do that, but I'm definitely gonna keep two. So you could also use any kind of rope you want, ribbon, ropes, yarn. So this is a rope, a black rope, and it's like plastic, and it's from the Dollar Tree. This is yarn. You could use yarn, or if you're gonna use twine, you could also double it up like I did with the blue one. This is actually like a like a threading. I'm not sure. Not a threading, like a sweater, you know, puller. But you could do the same thing and just multiply it, and then do the X if you want. If you don't want to do 4, you could just do 2 holes. And another way that I was going to show you, in case you don't have a drill, I was thinking about doing this myself, is like, say for example, let me use this black one. So just make circles like this, make a loop, make 4 loops, and glue them to the areas, to the 4 areas, and then glue the X to it. That way you don't have to make any holes if you don't have a drill. So there are different ways of, you know, thinking outside the box in case you don't have a way, or ask somebody to do the favor for you and drill the hole. So I'm gonna make this one, and I was just practicing to see how I was gonna make this one look. So I am gonna use this threading, but first I'm gonna take it out. And what I want to do is I'm gonna put you on pause, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint or draw the lines, and then do the rest. And you're gonna need the hot glue and scissors, and just whatever items you're gonna need, you know, just think ahead and you know, have it available for you. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time to display this or to show it to you once I make it, because I only have like 15 minutes to record, and I'm already at 7. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna place pause, and I'm gonna bring the camera down, and I'm gonna try to work as fast as I can, but I won't be talking. You're just gonna see what I'm doing, and hopefully you'll see how I'm making it, and you can make it yourself. I am so sorry, and in advance, I just really sincerely want to apologize that I can't, you know, I don't have the technical knowledge on how to, you know, make videos, so it's hard for me. So, but leave it in the comments if you want me to get detailed, and I will make another video for you. I promise you, even if it's for one person, I will do it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on pause and then bring the camera down. You probably won't be hearing me talk. I'll probably say 1 or 2 things here and there, but you're just gonna watch me, and then it'll be the end of the video after that. So just in case, I'm gonna say goodbye as of now. Be blessed, be careful, and stay safe from this coronavirus, and stay calm in your heart, and stay in peace, and follow instructions. Okay, I'll pray for you if you need that. Leave it in the comments too, and I will most definitely pray for you and your family. Okay, God bless. And I'm putting you on pause, so just keep watching. Thank you. Okay, so I thought I was gonna use paint, but I changed my mind, because then I have to let it dry. So I'm gonna use markers. So I'm gonna test them in the back. Let's see which one. Okay, that one looks like it'll work. And I'm just gonna do the trimming all the way around on the edge. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do for you. Just do it for you. And whistle while you work. I wish I could whistle. I'm gonna try to do it fast. My hands shake a lot, but you know, I'm not afraid if I make a mistake, because I could use alcohol, and with a Q-tips you could always clean that out. So I'm trying to make the line darker now. I'm going over it for the second time. Make it darker and whiter. and it's working great. I'm so glad. I think the next button that I'm gonna make, I'm gonna try to make a square one, just to have a smaller one. I'll probably use one of those wood science panels that come from the Dollar Tree. So I don't know if you could see the edging, but it came out pretty good. And I'm gonna do the circles around the opening. I'm gonna darken that area as well. You don't have to do this, but I want to do it for this button. I didn't do it for the other one, but for this one I do want to make it darker. So again, if you make a mistake, just wash it. Take a Q-tips and clean it. I'm sorry my hand is in the way. I am a lefty, but I'll lift it up. Okay, let me put it on pause and do the rest of the holes. So here's how the pink button turned out. I did it different than this one. This one I did a X threading, and this one I decided to do, you know, like the 11, if that's what you call it. But these are the ways that I remember my mom used to sew buttons, this way or in the X. And in this one I added the needle, and I left a little bit of thread hanging as if, you know, the person's doing the sewing is almost finished. And I glued the needle in a, you know, right in the hole in the back, and it's like in that standing position. So if you're going to use a needle, don't use it for a kid's room, and definitely don't put this near any kid's you know, reach, because even though it doesn't have a point, it could be dangerous. So I hope you like both of these cute little buttons. They're adorable. I am so glad I made them, and I'm so glad I got to teach them to you. I hope you make them, and if you do, please show me how, and you know, how you tweaked it, what you did different to it. And if you need any help or suggestions, just leave me a comment, and I'll get it. It'll pop up on my phone, and I'll get it, and I'll get to you as soon as possible. I promise you. I can't wait to see your buttons, and I'm gonna be so happy to see them. You know, this is not my creation. This is just an idea that I took off of the internet, and I just ran with it. So please go to Google, search, and make your buttons, and make them any way you want, and personalize it if you like, and hang them up on the wall. And I'm telling you, it's going to be a conversation piece. All right, well, take care, be blessed, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Take care. Bye bye.